Alright, go ahead.
I got it on record.
Me?
Go.
Go.
Oh.
You guys are up.
Welcome to the first annual Altamont.
Nice
First annual.
May the odds be ever in your favor.
In your favor. In the blue corner.
You're up.
Yo, the stomach. In the gray corner. Megan. What's your nickname?
The dumpster.
The hippie. The McNoster. The McNoster.
Alright, that's enough for that. That's enough for that.
McNoster.
Alright, we ready?
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
On your mark.
It's happening.
Hold on.
On your mark.
Oh!
On your mark. I'll do it. On your mark.
Challenge now. We'll do the first one.
And we're saying crust too, like everything.
Everything has to be
Make sure.
You have to lick your tongue.
Oh, both getting help.
Give me.
No, I'm not going to pizzas in under 30.
Wait.
They order one more pizza and half.
Alright, ready?
Tweet. I'm like a soccer mom.
Are we good?
On your mark.
Now.
Get set.
First bite.
Crazy.
Oh, Joe's in the lead. He's falling for optimum placement. Joy swallows. She doesn't enjoy it.
In 30 minutes, I'm fine. Which I can.
Yeah, manja.
Se no non vinci. Alright, so.
Joe doesn't chew the pizza, swallows everything.
Adesso andatevi, quando andatevi?
I'm already proud of you. I'm already proud of you.
Joe
Are
has
you
a pizza.
videotaping it?
Yes. Joe has a pizza. It's.
Did you just photobomb that picture?
Megan, what's up? You're gonna win, right?
Megan, you got this.
The coach is everywhere.
Megan, stand on the table.
Megan's gonna beat your ass.
Yo, I can't even see some people there. I can't see whoever's. You got this. It's not even a photo anymore.
We are 1 minute in. I won't do that every minute.
Don't go for the bow. Run for the woods.
I'm really jealous.
Run
I'm
for the
really
woods.
hungry.
Yep.
Is this margarita or just plain?
You have 2.5 minutes to slice.
Joe, is this margarita pizza?
Oh, they're not.
Yeah, margarita.
No, it's sausage.
What? Of you?
Don't get distracted. Don't
What?
get distracted.
Why?
Just so you remember what it looks like. Are you going to take a video of 30 minutes?
30 minutes? No, I'll probably stop at certain points.
You should be there for like.
I can only record another 17. And then the camera's full.
We just made so much
Bullshit, it only does 20 minutes at a time.
What's going on? They're waiting to see what happens next.
Yeah, I'll stop it soon. I want to hear what they
You
say.
should. You're right. You could be up in the front.
Take
You
certain
could be like,
Joe, I want to get a bite action. Come
I
on.
love how bright this friggin' is. I fucking love this camera.
just worry about people.
Laurel face, classic Laurel face. What's the classic Laurel face?
She has like 50 of them. Gabby. Take a picture of me.
Oh, look at her.
Picture, oh, I got the.
Distraction. Distraction. Get off my bro.
What was the distraction? I missed it.
I was serious.
Paulina, what'd you do?
That's
Take
funny,
photos with my
actually.
boy. Slow him down.
Gabby.
Sì, sì. Solo per lui.
No. No, Louis.
Look at him go. Joe, you're gonna throw up.
You guys finish it? I like that one. It was good.
I don't care what I drink. You should know this by now.
I just want to drive.
You should know that I just drank.
have beers after because we're going to...
No way.
Let's stop it soon.
As long as we get a cheese wine.
Yeah, let's get...
15 minutes.
Let's get the $9 wine.
What do you say, Alexa?
Honestly, Megan.
Oh, let's see.
Did he not just paint the whole backyard?
Who's gonna win?
I think.
That's
Probably, see, the way
She's
he
got an
doesn't
appetite.
chew
She's
the
got an
pizza,
appetite.
swallow
I
it.
think they both have.
He's gonna win?
Yeah, I think Megan's a great eater, but Joe.
What is your advice for them? What would you tell them?
What do you tell them?
Yeah.
They're crazy. They get stomach ache for nothing. It's not the pleasure with the pizza.
Oh, it's going. I was like,
Slow.
oh my god, only 4 minutes left.
It goes
That's
down.
enjoyable.
When did we time travel?
This is good. Have stomach ache.
This is like really good pizza, and I'm really jealous because I really want to eat it.
I will be sleeping for a week.
14 minutes.
I know. I just want to be
Really
like
get us. Chin chin, Gabby.
chin chin.
Wait, Gabby's not in. Hold on.
Chin chin to Altamonte.
Are you videoing everything?
Cheap for Altamonte. Goodbye,
Is that a serious
Altamonte.
question?
I
Why would I
find
hold
it funny when people pose and it's a video.
Oh yeah.
Picture time.
Like
I love it, and they
Did
say
you
like
take it yet?
the awkward 5 minutes, and they perfect their smile. They're like,
Their mouth is just.
I'm
14, I'm cutting off.
Tonight.
Look at those pieces.
we'll check in again at about like halfway.
oh no.
What do you guys?
You're already
Joe,
halfway.
Joe, how's your what? You got halfway of one, right? And then a full. Megan's halfway too. Oh, this is close.
Close.
Megan, what about the stuff we talked about before?
Megan,
Remember
you're pretty
the?
good. Who finished the first?
Don't talk to her.
No, you don't talk. No, you don't
Don't
talk.
talk.
Megan is busy.
All right, we'll check in again in a few minutes.
Leave her alone.